ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाख्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण. Yesterday I explained how Gargya Abhimata Atma, it is avijnanamaya and therefore abhokta. Ajatashatru Abhimata Atma is vijnanamaya, therefore bhokta. This bheda you keep clear. What was the meaning of the word vijnanamaya?
Chaitanya.
Chetanavan or Chaitanyavan, if you say, means that which has Chaitanya. Where is that Chaitanya available? In Antakarana. In Antakarana, it is available. So, because of the adhyasa between Atma and Buddhi, that is considered as Atma erroneously. That is what is pointed out first by Ajatashatru. To eliminate all those things which are jada. Deha Indriya, more will be talked. Deha Indriya, Mana, Prana, Buddhi, all of them are eliminated. And Prana Devata, last topic that we saw. One more thing that I mentioned, but there was a question at the end. So, why did we say there was a discussion between Sopadhika Brahma and Nirupadhika Brahma in the beginning? So, I had mentioned that in Sopadhika Brahma, in general, our attention is on Upadhi. And we miss out on the Chaitanya part. Like if somebody is meditating on Rama, so their understanding will be Rama Upadhi, Rama as Sharira, Vigraha, and the Visheshas of that. Similarly, any Upadhi is given Pradhanyam, and in that Chaitanya is forgotten. So here, that Chaitanya part is brought up first to differentiate. That's why in Ajatashatru, Abhimata, Atma also, first step what is shown is not Shuddha Jnana Swarupa, Jnata. But in that, Jnanam is Pradhanam. To eliminate Prana, where in Prana what is missing is Jnanam. That's why with the names when it was called, it did not respond. So, Jnanam is not there in Prana. This is how it is separated. So, Vijnanamaya means Jnanavan. In this way, it is separated. And this Prana is not Devata also, because if it is Devata, then it will not be Shesha of anybody. That was the topic that we saw. Yo yena samaha sa tat shesho bhavati. Page number 451. Tat shesho na bhavati. Yo yena samaha saha tat shesho na bhavati. If they are equal, it will not be following it. यथा दीपो दीपांतरेण तुल्यो न तत्शेष इति व्याप्ति विरोधः स्यात् इत्यर्थः. यथा दीपो दीपांतरेण तुल्यः. If there are two deepa, then one deepa is not shesha of the other because they are having equal light. इति व्याप्ति विरोधः स्यात् इत्यर्थः. नायं विरोधः समाधातव्यः शेषशेषी भावस्य अत्र अप्रतिपाद्यत्वात् इति परिहरति. नायं विरोधः समाधातव्यः अयं विरोधः न समाधातव्य. This virodha should not be presented as samadhanam. शेष शेषी भावस्य अत्र अप्रतिपाद्यत्वात्. शेष virodha means this vyapti virodha which was shown, right? Vyapti vyapyatntaram viruddham shankate. This is how it started, this paragraph. So it is said Shesha Sheshi Bhava itself is not there here. Shesha Sheshi Bhavasya atra apratipadyatvat. What does that mean? Shuddha Atma is neither Shesha of anybody nor Sheshi of anybody. I think it is given in Tippani. No, it is not given. Maybe in the following thing it will come. But this much we should understand. Shuddha Atma is neither Shesha of anyone nor Sheshi of anyone.
5th number Tippani, Swamiji.
5 number Tippani. That is given for the Moolam. Means Bhashya. Shesha Sheshitvadi Ashesha Vishesha Shunyasya Atmana. Atma which is Tippani number 5. Shesha Sheshitvadi Ashesha Vishesha Shunyasya. So Atma is neither Shesha, Atma is nor Sheshi also. Ashesha Vishesha Shunya means it is Nirvishesha. See in Bhashya. Na Nirupadikasya Kevalasya Vijignyapayishittatvat. The Vijignyapayisha. Vijignyapayisha means ज्ञापयितुम इच्छा. ज्ञापन कराने की इच्छा. ज्ञापयितुम इच्छा. ज्ञापयितुम इच्छा is of what? निरुपाधिकस्य केवलस्य. Only निरुपाधिक केवल शुद्ध परमात्मा is what Ajatashatru wants to point out. In that nirupadhika kevala, there is no shesha sheshi. Means it is neither shesha of any other nor it is sheshi. Okay, it cannot be shesha of anybody. Why it cannot be sheshi? Sheshi means what? You understand what is sheshi? Sheshi I am saying. Sheshi means it is pradhana, everything else is subordinate. Why can't it be? Huh? Niravaya.
Adhyasa, they all are Adhyasa.
Adhyasa. Sambandha.
Asangatvat.
Shesha Sheshi requires some sambandha. Asangatva is there in Atma. See, if you say somebody is Raja and it has Praja, Raja Praja sambandha has happened. Atma and Deha, what is the sambandha? No sambandha. Atma Indriya, no sambandha. Atma with anything else, there is no sambandha. So this is what he actually wants to reveal. This is the Vijignyapa Isha. Yeah. Adhyasika Sambandha. Adhyasika Sambandha is everywhere. And even if Adhyasika Sambandha is there, what you want to reveal is that which is not part of Adhyasa. Right? Everything else has Adhyasa. This is not part of adhyasa. Therefore, adhyasika sambandha also you will have to eliminate. Then only what is remaining is anadhyasta. In vijignapaisha, jna avabodhane dhatu is there. Then V is the
Ni-
upasarga. Jnapaisha, pakara is indicating nijanta. And shakara, ishita is
San.
san. So san pratyaya, nich pratyaya both are there. Okay, further. Tadeva sputayati. क्रियाकारक फलात्मकता ही आत्मनो नाम रूप उपाधि जनिता अविद्या अध्यारोपिता. क्रियाकारक फलात्मकता ही आत्मनो नाम रूप उपाधि जनिता. Anything that is kriya or karaka or phala, all of that in atma, if it comes, let's say atma has some kriya, atma has become karaka, atma gets phalam, all of them are nama rupa upadhi janita. It is only with some upadhi that atma gets these, and they are avidya adhyaropita. They are only superimposed by avidya. So when I am reading, if you are quick, then you can see some tippanis if they are helpful and if it clarifies. But don't miss out on where I am. Okay? Because if you just go on looking at tippani, then better not do. Only those who are already understanding the meaning of bhashya and tika and wants to just quickly look at the tippani, then they can. Otherwise, just follow what I am saying. And whenever I mention, you see that tippani. नाम रूप उपाधि जनिता अविद्या अध्यारोपिता. तन्निमित्तो लोकस्य क्रियाकारक फलाभिमान लक्षणः संसारः स निरुपाधिक आत्मस्वरूप विद्यया निवर्तयितव्य इति तत्स्वरूप विजिज्ञापयिषया उपनिषद आरंभः. उपनिषद आरंभ. तन्निमित्तो लोकस्य. So that avidya nimitta loka, where kriya karaka phala abhimana lakshana samsara. Because of this abhimana, kriya karaka phala, tad abhimana lakshana samsara. Sa nirupadhika atma swarupa. This samsara nirupadhika atma swarupa vidhaya. Vidyaya. Nirupadhika atma swarupa. Samsara nivritti will happen when nirupadhika atma jnanam is there. Nirupadhika atma swarupa vidyaya nivartayitavyaha. Nivartayitavyaha samsaraha. Bhashyakara is explaining why Ajatashatru is revealing Nirupadhika Brahma. Because only by knowing Nirupadhika Brahma, samsara nivritti will happen. So this prayojanam of this Ajatashatru Gargya dialogue has come in Upanishad for samsara nivritti. Therefore, it has to be Nirupadhika. Iti tat swarupa vijignyapayishaya Upanishad arambha. Therefore, to know this swarupa, which swarupa? Nirupadhika Brahma swarupa. Its vijignyapayishaya tritiya. By that ichha, ज्ञापन करवाने की इच्छा, to make it known. Upanishad has started only with that objective. So Upanishad is not for upasana. Upanishad is not for sopadhika brahma pratipadanam. Tika. उपनिषद आरंभो निरुपाधिकं स्वरूपं ज्ञापयितुम् इति अत्र गमकम् आह. That Upanishad Arambha is for Nirupadhika Swarupa Pratipadanam. In that, what is Gamakam? Means Jnapakam. How do you know Upanishad wants to reveal Nirupadhika Brahma? Why can't it be something else? So, some Upakrama Upasamhara is done here, in brief. Brahmate Bravani na etavata viditam bhavati iti. Gargi had said, Brahmate Bravani, I will teach you Brahma. Ajatashatru said, okay, teach me. He said so many things. After that, what did Ajatashatru say? Na etavata viditam bhavati. By this, Brahma will not become known. Iti. This is the Upakrama. Iti cha Upakramya. Then, etavadare khalu amrutatvam. Iti cha Upasamharat. And Yajnavalkya tells Maitreyi in the Chaturtha Adhyaya 4, 5, 15. Etavadare khalu amrutatvam. For amrutatvam, for immortality, this is all you need to know. This is all you need to know means there is only jnanam. By jnanam, you should get amrutatvam. Nothing else is needed. Etavat eva. Only this much. Means after that, some karma, some upasana, not needed. This is amrutatvam. Iti cha upasamharat. So upasamhara is done in the 4th chapter, 5th section. Last mantra is given as upasamhara. After that is Vamsha Brahmana, and then 5th and 6th chapter are upasana. So they are not part of Upanishad. Why they are not part of Upanishad? They are not part of Shadvidha Linga Tatparya Nirnaya. Tatparya Nirnaya is not using those 2 chapters. So Upakrama, Upasamhara, actually Upakrama here they have given because it is in this chapter. Otherwise Upakrama you can also give Atmitya Upasita or that mantra 147. Tadhe tat tarhi avyakritam asit. From there you can begin, but Atmitya Upasita would be okay, or this is appropriate for this discussion, right? Tika. Somebody says, in between some other topics are also there. Why are you saying only this is the Nirupadhika Brahma is Pratipadya? See Tika. Dve vava brahmano rupe. Murtam chaiva murtam cha. Ityadi darshanat asyam upanishadi sopadikam api brahma vivakshitam. Iti asankya. Dve vava brahmano rupe murtam cha 16 number tippani. 2nd chapter, 3rd section, 231. In that, Sopadhika Brahma is also taught. Vivaksha is there. Iti ashankyaha. Na cha ato anyat antarale vivakshitam uktam va asti. Ataha anyat antarale vivakshitam uktam va na asti. Ataha anyat. Other than this, antarale, in between Upakrama and Upasamhara, where Nirupadhika Brahma is shown, in between any other Sopadhika Brahma is not where there is Vivaksha. Means that is not what the intention is. Vivaksha means Vaktum Ichha. Vivakshitam Uktam va na asti. Like if I use some sentences, right? But you talked about this, you talked about Ghata, you talked about Pata. That is not Vivaksha. Vivaksha is in Brahma Pratipadanam. Nirupadhika Brahma Pratipadanam. टीका द्वित्ववादस्य कल्पित विषयत्वान् नेति नेतीति निर्विशेष वस्तु समर्पणात् अतो अन्यदार्थम् इति च उक्तेः अत्र निरुपाधिकमेव ब्रह्म प्रतिपाद्यम् इति भावः. द्वैतम द्वित्व मीन्स where there is द्वैतवादस्य कल्पित विषयत्वात् and समस्त द्वैतम is कल्पितम. सेवन नंबर टिप्पणी is important. केनापि व्याख्यात्रा तात्पर्य विषयतया न उक्तम. न विवक्षा means no commentator has said that there is तात्पर्य in those things. केनापि व्याख्यात्रा by any commentator. Even those who accepted the Bheda Bhedavada, Dvaita Dvaita, so they have accepted that Tatparya is in Advaita and in that there is Dvaitam in that way. Now, if those people who think Dvaitam, so to refute that, that line is given, Dvitvavadasya Kalpita Vishayatvat. And that is eliminated how? Neti Neti Iti Nirvishesha Vastu Samarpanat. Because such vakyas are there. Anyo aso vanyo aham asmiti na saveda. And mrutyo samrutyam gacchati ya iha naneva pashyati. Neti neti. So Dvaitam is negated, refuted. Neti neti iti nirvishesha vastu samarpanat. Not only that, ato anyad artam. Other than this, everything is vinashi. Artam literally means vinashi. Means anityam. इति च उक्तेः अत्र निरुपाधिकम एव ब्रह्म प्रतिपाद्यम इति भावः. Therefore here निरुपाधिक ब्रह्म alone is प्रतिपाद्यम. शेष शेषी भावस्य अप्रतिपाद्यत्वे फलितमाह. And therefore शेष शेषी भाव is not there. शेष शेषी भावस्य अप्रतिपाद्यत्वे, then what is the phalitam? See, shesha sheshi bhavasya apratipadyatva means it is not tatparya. Tatparya avishayatve. Phalitam kim? Tasmad anavasaha samatvad guna bhava anupagama iti chodyasya. Tasmad, therefore, prana having chetana, and prana is also another devata, then there is no such thing that prana cannot have guna bhava. Guna bhava anupagama in prana, because prana is samaha, iti chodyasya anavasaraha. This whole discussion has no ground. Prana is not equivalent to Atma. Prana is Jada. And therefore, and there is no Tatparya in its Pratipadanam. Chodya means objection. Shanka. Kimartham tarhi shesha sheshi bhavas tatra tatra uktaha. Now this is another question. You are saying there is no shesha sheshi bhava, but then everywhere in between, here and there, some shesha sheshi bhava is shown. Why it is done? विशेषवतो हि सोपाधिकस्य संव्यवहारार्थो गुणगुणि भावो न विपरीतस्य. विशेषवतः सोपाधिकस्य, that sopadhika which has vishesha, it is savishesha, then it will have samvyavaharartho gunaguni bhava. For the samvyavahara, there is gunaguni bhava. न विपरीतस्य. Nirupadhika does not have guna-guni bhava. Guna-guni means Gauna and Shesha Sheshi. 10 number tippani is given. सोपाधिकस्य शेषशेषि भावो विवक्षितस्य. तत्र च स्वामी भृत्य न्यायेन विशेष संभवात् असिद्धम समत्वम इत्यर्थः. In Sopadika, Shesha Sheshi Bhava, Vivaksha is there. In Sopadika Brahma, there will be something, Chaitanya, Jada will be its Shesha, they will have Sambandha, and Swami Bhritya Naya will be there. Vishesha Sambhavat. And therefore Samatvam Asiddham. There is no Samatva in that case. न विपरीतस्य निरुपाधिकस्य शेषशेषित्वम अस्ति इति अत्र हेतुमः. But tad viparita nirupadhika does not have sheshasheshitvam. In that, what is the hetu? Nirupakyo hi vijignapaishitaha sarvasyam upanishadi. In all Upanishads, nirupakya means nirupadhika. Brahma alone is vijignapaishitaha. That alone is revealed. So we should never forget Upanishad is for Nirguna Brahma Pratipadana. Here and there in between, even if something happens, that is not where the Vivaksha is. Why do you say that? Sa esha neti neti iti upasamhara, because the upasamhara is neti neti. This also will come in Yajnavalkya Maitreyi Brahmana. 4:422. This is Yajnavalkya Janaka Samvada. Tika. शेष शेषित्वादि अशेष विशेष शून्य इत्यर्थः. निरुपाख्य मीन्स शेष शेषित्वादि अशेष विशेष शून्य. This is the line which was given as tippani earlier. पाणिपेश वाक्य विचारार्थम संक्षिप्य उपसंहरति. पाणिपेश. पाणि is hand. पाणिना पेषणम. पाणिपेश. Vakya Vicharartham, that discussion, Sankshipya Upasamarat. Now he concludes. Tasmat, this line is also important for the whole discussion. Adityadi Brahmabhya etebhyo avijnanamayabhyo vilakshano anyo asti vijnanamaya iti etat siddham. Therefore, Adityadi Brahmabhya etebhya avijnanamaya. All of them are avijnana rupa. Aditya Brahma means in Aditya you do Brahma Buddhi. In Chandrama you do Brahma Buddhi. In Vidyut you do Brahma Buddhi. All of them are Jada. Different from them is Vijnanamaya. Therefore, in Ahankara, if you do Brahma Buddhi, it is already superior upasana. That's why that Ahangrahopasana is considered superior. Iti etat siddham. Okay. If you take it Aditya, Chandrama, etc. as Devata, then both will become Chaitanya. Atma is also Chaitanya, they are also Chaitanya. Then Swami Bhritya Bhava is not there between those Devatas and Atma. But there is no Samatvam. Means they are not same. Why? If you take them as some devata, mostly because the attention will be only on the upadhi part. Aditya upadhi, not the chetana aspect. Like in aham also, if I am able to think of chetan in ahangrahopasana, after that the upadhi nishedha is possible. But some more ideas are clarified further. See. Now Ajatashatru is asking him another question. See Tika. Vrittam anudya anantar grantham avatarya vyachaste. Vrittam anudya. Vrittanu kirtana purvakam. Whatever is already said, having mentioned that in brief, now Uttar Grantham, later part, vyachaste. स एवं अजातशत्रुः व्यतिरिक्त आत्म अस्तित्वं प्रतिपाद्य गार्ग्यम उवाच. So what has been done? Vyatirikta Atma Astitva Pratipadanam is done. That Atma is separate from all this Sanghata. 4 number Tippani. Bhartik is given. Dehendriya manodhibhyo vivityatmanam ekalam bhoktaram darshayitvatha raja gargyam apricchata. This bhokta vijnanamaya is different from deha indriya manodhi, etc. So Atma is separate from all of them. Having shown that, Raja is asking another question to Gargya. Sahovacha ajata shatrur yatraisha etat sutto abhud ya esha vijnanamaya purushaha vaisha tada abhud kuta etad agat iti tadhuna mene Gargyaha. Sahovacha ajata shatru. That ajata shatru asked Gargyaha. Yatra esha etat suptaha. Here, this suptaha abhut means this purusha who was sleeping. Ya esha vijnanamaya purusha ko esha tada abhut. When this person was sleeping, where was this vijnanamaya at that time? And kuta etad agat, from where did it come? 2 questions. Where it was? Ko means putra. And kutaha, from where? Etad agat. From where did it come? When we shook this person. Tadhuna mene Gargyaha. Tad Gargyaha, tat prashne Gargyaha na mene. Gargya did not know those questions. Means the answers to those questions. भाष्य यत्र यस्मिन् काले एष विज्ञानमयः पुरुषः. At that time when this Vijnanamaya Purusha. Now you see Vijnanamaya Shabda was not discussed much in the early previous mantra. Only now in the mantra Vijnanamaya Shabda has come. Vijnanamaya Purusha etat swapanam means supto abhut. Supto abhut. Supta Shabda is there in mantra. What is the Vyakhyanam for Suptaha? Swapanam. So first is Vyakhyanam, then is Vyakhyaya. Supto abhut. Prag pani pesha pratibodhat. When this person was sleeping prior to pani pesha pratibodha, Panina Pesha, through which he woke up. Where was this Vijnanamaya Purusha? Now, what is Vijnanamaya? See, Vijnanam, Vijnayate anena iti antakaranam buddhihi uchyate tanmayas tat prayo Vijnanamaya. Vijnayate anena iti antakaranam buddhihi tanmayah. Tanmayah, 5 number. Tat prachuras, tat pradhana, tat prat is not needed. Tat pradhana iti yavat. Prachurya mayat. Mayat artha is prachurya artha, not vikara. टीका एतत् स्वपनम यथा भवति तथा इति यावत्. यथा स्वपनम भवति तस्मात् सः सुप्तः. So when swapanam happens, he is supta. Yatra iti uktam kalam vishinashti. When prag pani pesha pratibodhat. When was he sleeping? Because before he was shaken. Tada kva abhut iti sambandha. Prag pani pesha pratibodhat kva abhut. This is the question. Vijnanamaya iti atra vijnanam param brahma. Some people, if you just read this much, then you will get confused. Vijnanamaya iti atra vijnanam param brahma. Tad vikaro jivaha. Tena vikararthe mayat. If this much you read, and you see after that what is it? Iti kechit tan nirakaroti. Kechit. Some people say like that, its nirakaranam is done. With these vakyas, if you don't read the full sentence, would you think Purva Paksha is what is being said here? Some people say Vijnanam is Param Brahma. Its Vikara is Jiva. So here Vijnanama is Vikararthe Mayat. So some Vyakhyakara must have explained that way. So that is refuted here. No. Here Vijnanam means Vijnayate anena iti antakaranam buddhihi. And with that there is adhyasa of Atma. Which tip? There is a tippani, right? Tat prayah. Yes.
But will refer to what? Buddhi mind.
So it is referring to Atma who has adhyasa with buddhi. What is your visheshya? Atma. So if you say sabhas ahankara, chaitanya, buddhi vishishta chaitanya. Or that chaitanya in which buddhi is adhyasta. So why tat prayaha? It is put in Bhashya. First let us see Tika. Antakarana prayatvam atmano na prakalpyate tasya asangasya tena asambandhat iti akshipati. You say antakarana prayatvam in Atma, how it will be there? Because Atma is asanga. Tasya asangasya tena asambandhat. How Atma will have sambandha with antakarana? Kim punaha tat prayatvam. How there is prayastvam? Prayaha vijnanamaya, tat prayaha means antakarana prayaha. Tika. Asangasya api avidyam buddhyadi sambandham upetya pariharati. Even though it is asanga, asangasya api Avidyam means avidyakam, buddhyadi sambandha. Asanga, but still because of avidya, the sambandha is there. Upetya pariharati tasmin upalabhyatvam. Tasmin upalabhyatvam tena cha upalabhyatvam upalabhyatvam cha. Tasmin upalabhyatvam. Tasmin
अंतःकरणे
given already. Antakarane buddha 6 number different. Means in antakarana only it is available. Upalabhyatvam. Tena cha upalabhyatvam. Tena cha upalabhyatvam means tena buddhya it is available. And because of that tadatmya, upalabdhritvam is also in that atma. Atma will get upalabdhritvam. Upalabdhritvam means it will become bhokta. We have seen this earlier in one context that who is the creator? The Brahma. In Brahma Sutra, we saw one sutra. Yatha takshana, like a carpenter. So you say, oh, so you accept that Vedanta, Advaitin accepts that Brahma is karta. It is to refute all other karta. After that it is said, only when it is associated with upadhi. Just like the carpenter, when he has all the things, then he is karta. Otherwise, he is akarta. Like that, Atma also. So, upalabdhritvam is also like that. We'll see this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.